Welcome to Practice Easy English. Action verbs for everyday life. Patch. To repair a hole or weak spot by adding a patch. Patch the hole in your jeans. Patch the punctured tire. Mend. To repair or fix something that is damaged or broken. Mend the tear in your shirt. Please mend the leaky roof. Fix. To repair something that is broken or damaged. Fix the leaky faucet. Please fix the broken chair before guests arrive. Stitch. To sew something together. Stitch the button back onto the shirt. Stitch the ripped pocket carefully. Tighten. To make something more secure or firm by turning it. Please tighten the loose screw. Tighten the cap to prevent leaks. Loosen. To make something less tight or firm. Loosen the bolt slightly. Loosen the lid before opening the jar. Detach. To remove something that is attached. Detach the cables from the TV. Detach the charger from the phone. Oil. To apply oil to reduce friction or make something work smoothly. Oil the door hinges. Oil the bike chain before your ride. Grease. To apply a lubricant, like grease, to something. Grease the ball bearing regularly. Grease the gears to ensure smooth movement. Lubricate. To apply a substance like oil to make something move smoothly. Lubricate the gears regularly. Lubricate the door lock to prevent sticking. Glue. To stick things together using glue. Glue the pieces back together. Can you glue the torn piece of the file? Sharpen. To make something sharp, like a blade. Sharpen the kitchen knives. Sharpen the pencils before class. Screw. To fasten something using a screw. Screw the shelf into the wall. Screw the shelf into the wall. Screw the handle onto the door. Unscrew. To remove a screw. Unscrew the screws to take apart the device. Bolt. To fasten something using a bolt. Bolt the frame securely. Bolt the door for extra safety. Unbolt. To remove a bolt. Unbolt the door for repair. Unbolt the panel to access the wiring. Clog. To block something, causing a stoppage. The toilet is clogged. The wash basin is clogged. Unclog. To remove a blockage from something. Unclog the kitchen sink with a plunger. Drain. To remove liquid from something. Drain the water from the tank. Drain the bathtub after use. Dismantle. To take apart a machine or structure. Let's dismantle the old bike. Dismantle the bookshelf before moving. Reassemble. To put something back together after taking it apart. Reassemble the engine after cleaning. Reassemble the furniture carefully. Plug. To insert a plug into a socket. Plug in the charger, please. Plug in the vacuum cleaner. Unplug. To remove a plug from a socket. Don't forget to unplug the toaster after use. Unplug the computer before cleaning it. Weld. To join two pieces of metal by heating them. Weld the broken metal frame. Weld the pipes together to stop the leak. Solder. To join metal parts together by melting a filter metal. We need to solder the loose wire. Please solder the broken circuit. Sand. To smooth or polish a surface using sandpaper. Sand the rough edges of the wood. Sand the old paint before applying a new coat.